A shoe must be comfortable on the feet, made of material that is soft and that molds itself to the shape of the foot. Leather has this quality, so we make shoes out of leather. But this same quality of softness causes problems on the sole, which wears out fast. We want the body of the shoe to be soft, but the sole to be hard. So, to get a hard sole that withstands wear and tear and has a long life, we stick a sheet of hard rubber on the sole. We are combining the comfort of the leather with the long life of the hard rubber. We have a similar problem with inserts, and a similar solution is used. We want a cutting edge to be hard so that it can cut faster and have a longer life. Unfortunately, the harder a cutting tool material is, the more brittle it is and the easier it breaks. We need two opposite qualities, toughness and hardness. We want the body of the insert to be tough, but the cutting edge surface to be hard, with high wear resistance. To improve the wear resistance and life of an insert, we just coat it with hard but brittle materials like aluminum oxide, titanium nitride or titanium carbonitride. This picture shows a plain tungsten carbide insert, the grey one on top, and a coated insert, the gold one at the bottom. An insert may have multiple coatings of different materials. The cross section shows 3 different coatings, each between 2 microns and 10 microns thick in this picture.